So how do you turn off the Apple Watch voiceover? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So as you can tell on the Apple Watch, the voiceover feature might be enabled, but it can be found in the settings and it is part of the accessibility section. So if you click on the accessibility like this, the voiceover is the first thing. So of course, this is where you can go to turn it off. However, while this feature is enabled, it kind of works a bit different because you have to select something once, it get read out loud to you, and then you have to double press it to actually click it, right? So the Apple Watch behaves differently, so you have to just, open up the settings by double clicking on it, then double clicking the accessibility, right? And that's how you can actually just, get there. However, you can also utilize Siri if you have it enabled, so you can literally just hold down on the digital crown, trigger the Siri, and you'll be able to just tell it to turn off the feature, right? So you're gonna say that turn off voiceover, and it's gonna get the job done. It's actually pretty simple. It's easier than just going through the menus, but these are all of the options which you have. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully make it work. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later.